And welcome. Today we've got this Dewalt DCP580 planer and it doesn't work quite simply, so we'll take it into the workshop and see what we can do with it. So here we are in the workshop. As you can see, it is not going, and this battery has 2 bars, so it should be going. The only thing we can do is open it up and see if we can see anything simple. Feeling that it needs a new motor switch assembly. The first thing we've got to do is take out these 2 screws. Cover should lift off, and we should get the belt off too. Just roll that off. There we are. And probably get these screws out as well. Lovely. Let's see. Pull this all out to see if anything is looking amiss there. Seen dirtier ones. It's not too bad. Nothing disconnected. At this end anyway. So what I'll have to do is pull this cover off here, this handle, this side of this handle, and lift off to see if any of the electronics are affected in here. There we are. Put the whole unit out now. So we'll leave this to the one side. We'll take a look at this unit itself to see what we can do. If there's anything indeed obvious that's wrong. Just try and manipulate the wires to see if and them sort of broke or anything. Get any sort of connection. It's dead to the world. This one. Now normally, if this needed a whole switch motor assembly like this part here, up to this part, and that's the way it comes. It would cost more than the price of a new planer. However, we are not in that predicament, because once I get this in for repair, I did a bit of snooping on the internet, on eBay specifically, for any second-hand ones, and in a strange and fortuitous twist of fate, I was able to purchase this for an affordable price. And what I've got is this whole housing assembly. I don't even have to take the motor out of that. I do, however, have to get that out of there, which, yeah, could be challenging. We'll try that. Yeah, but I can show you this one is in fact going. I did test this upon receiving it. So I think that's what we're going to do. I'm sure there's a very sophisticated tool that removes this pulley wheel. Now, I am not too sophisticated here, as some of you will have observed if you've watched some of my videos, you know, so we'll have to try something. Let to try something. That didn't work. I don't think I'm going to wrestle with that today. I think I've got a better idea. I'm going to assume that the field coil or the switch is the problem, because if it is, I can take out these 4 screws and pull the back off that, remove the field coil, and do the same in the new unit or working unit and slip it over the top. I think that's just what I'm going to do. In this business, you got to take all the shortcuts you can, because time, my friends, is money. Here we are. We're hoping this motor and field coil, yeah, we'll take that away, and we'll just do a switcheroo with this one. There we are. We'll set it straight on. Right, let's see if that's done the business for us. If not, we have a bigger problem. Looks pretty good. Time to reassemble the whole thing. I'll give that a little blow out with the air, I think. Time to set this unit in here and get it all back together. Like I say, if you have one of these and you can't get a second-hand motor, aren't as lucky as I was, you could have a severe problem. You might have to just buy a new planer. That might be the only option open to you. This was easier to go off than as to put on, but got there. That's it now. Lovely. Let's it all back together now. We'll put a battery in her and see if she goes. I'm calling that fixed. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and check out my channel for all my other videos.